Looking for a baby shower theme that's soft, sweet, and timeless? A teddy bear baby shower wraps the celebration in warmth and comfort. With cuddly details, cozy colors, and playful decor, this theme is perfect for welcoming a little one. Let's explore teddy bear baby shower ideas that are cute, creative, and full of charm. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a fun favor idea for guests? Send guests home with teddy keychains, honey jars, or plush mini bears. Wrap them in soft packaging with "Thanks a very much" tags. Favors thoughtful? Like this if your gifts spread cuddly joy. What invitations fit the teddy bear theme? Pick designs with teddy illustrations, paw prints, or soft watercolor art. Use wording like "We can't bear to wait" for a playful first impression. Invites adorable? Like this if your mail sets the perfect tone. What centerpieces work for this theme? Place teddy bears on wood slices or inside baskets with flowers. Add bows, ribbons, or baby blocks for an extra layer of softness and style. Tables sweetened? Like this if your centerpieces feel snuggly and fun. What about outdoor teddy bear showers? Host a picnic-style event with blankets, baskets, and plush bears. Natural greenery and rustic decor fit perfectly with the cuddly bear theme. Outdoors charming? Like this, if nature adds to your shower fun. How do I style the dessert table? Highlight a teddy bear cake surrounded by cupcakes, cake pops, and jars of honey. Add florals and balloons to keep the table festive and inviting. Desserts irresistible? Like this if your table looks deliciously cute. How do I set the theme for a teddy bear shower? Choose a palette of beige, brown, and cream with hints of pastel blue, pink, or green. Add plush teddy bears and cozy textures to tie everything together. Theme snugly? Like this if your party feels warm and inviting. How do I make the space feel cozy? Layer blankets, pillows, and soft rugs. Add warm lighting with fairy lights or lanterns to create a setting that feels snugly and inviting. Cozy atmosphere? Like this if your space feels warm and welcoming. How do I keep the theme balanced? Use teddy bears as accents rather than crowding every space. Pair them with soft florals, balloons, or simple linens for a clean, elegant look. Balance achieved? Like this if your shower feels sweet but stylish. How do I create a teddy bear backdrop? Use balloon garlands in soft neutrals with teddy cutouts or plush bears. Add a welcome baby sign in script lettering for photo-perfect charm. Backdrop cozy? Like this if your wall feels picture-ready and sweet. Can I add games with a teddy twist? Yes, play Guess the Bear, Name That Teddy, or a honey jar guessing game. Themed activities bring laughter and match the cozy vibe. Games with giggles? Like this if your shower feels lively and fun. What food fits the teddy bear theme? Serve bear-shaped cookies, honey cupcakes, and paw print chocolates. Use themed labels like berry sweet snacks for extra playful detail. Menu delightful? Like this if your food spreads cuddly cheer. Can I add personalized touches? Yes, include banners with baby's name, custom cake toppers, or teddy-shaped signage. Personal touches make the celebration heartfelt and unique. Details with love, like this if your decor feels one of a kind. A teddy bear baby shower is timeless, cozy, and full of charm. With plush details, soft colors, and heartfelt touches, it creates a celebration as warm as a hug. It's the perfect way to welcome babies surrounded by love. Inspired by these teddy ideas? Like and return for more creative shower themes.